Okay, this video is about my multi-booting guide number 23. You go up to 50. How to Tricosa boot Ubuntu Budgie 18.04 LTS with Windows 10 and plus 21 GNU/Linux distros. So I'm gonna double click here, install Ubuntu Budgie. Select your language, click continue. I found a bug with Ubuntu and the Ubuntu derived distros on the GNU group. You won't show the name of it show Ubuntu name, but it won't show like Kubuntu. It won't show Kubuntu. It will show Ubuntu 18.04. If you dual boot with Ubuntu made, triple boot with Ubuntu made, it's gonna show Ubuntu, and the other one is going to be Ubuntu 18.04. So select the keyboard type here and click continue. Okay, I do not want to install updates, and normal installation is for regular users. If you want a very light, if you want less software installed that you're not going to use, then you select the minimal installation, but normal installation is fine. I'm not going to install third-party software. I will do it after the installation. I will show how to do that on the upcoming videos. Click continue. I'm gonna pause the video to save, to make it shorter. I have a lot of partition. A lot of operating system, and it takes some time until I'm saving the video to the flash drive here, the SDC. If you ask if I want to unmount the partition, I'm gonna select no. I will let this, but I'm not gonna pause the video. Let me wait a little bit. I like the song. I'm gonna pause the video a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna pause the video. It takes, okay, I don't have to pause. Okay, I could install Ubuntu alongside Windows 10. I have a 100 gigabytes and I'm only using 30 gigabytes of it. But through this multi-booting guide that I have, always I'm going to select something else. And when I work with Windows 10, I prefer to resize the partition right inside of Windows 10. So I have no problem doing the installation. So always I'm gonna select something else. Like I said on my book here, Ubuntu Budgie 18.04 is going to be partition number 30 that I'm going to create now. You have to know the partition number because if you multi-boot each version of Ubuntu, you won't show the name Kubuntu, Ubuntu made. I will see if you're going to show the Ubuntu Budgie, the Ubuntu Kylin, Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Ubuntu Studio, but I believe there is a bug with the GNU Grub that's not showing the name of the Ubuntu distro Ubuntu derived distro like Ubuntu made, Kubuntu. So I will record each installation. I'm going to click continue here. I'm going to record each installation and it will show it will show that the bug. So I'm gonna record I'm gonna install all the Ubuntu based distros, Ubuntu flavors distros, and then I will fill a bug report on Ubuntu forum about the bug here. So I already have installed Ubuntu, Kubuntu, Ubuntu Mate, or Mate, all 18.04. Also I have Ubuntu 16.04 installed. I will keep it until the end of the support. That's the Unity desktop environment. Like I said, because I have a lot of partition and the operating system, it takes time to figure out everything. So, if you have only dual boot with Windows or with other version of or dual booting with Windows 10 or GNU/Linux distros, the installation is very quick. So here I have the EFI partition here. With the Windows, with the Ubuntu installer, you don't have to worry about the EFI partition because it automatically detects that you booted in EFI and automatically writes the information to the EFI /boot/EFI partition. So I already have the swap partition here, swap partition, and like I said, I will create a partition. You see the bug here. This is the Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu. This is Kubuntu, and this is Ubuntu Mate. So if you look at here, that's how I know that. So the next partition is going to be number 30. So this is a bug with Ubuntu. So click on the free space here. I'm only going to use 15.999. So I'm going to double click. I'm going to select $15.999, and I'm going to select EST4 here, and then I'm going to select the mount point here. It's going to be like this. It's going to be almost 16 gigabytes. It's recommended 25 gigabytes to install. But with the Ubuntu after the installation, it only uses 4.1 gigabyte or 4.1 gigabyte. So the way I set up my system here, I'm using NTFS partition to share data to all operating system here with the Windows 10 and all the GNU/Linux distribution, and everything works fine. So I don't have to, I just install the software that I need to run on each desktop environment, on each OS, and I have one partition just to share the files between the OSs. So this is the easiest way to keep multiple operating systems installed on hard drive. You can also multi-boot or USB flash drive too. which I will wait until the 2 terabytes USB flash drive comes down in price, 2 and 4 terabytes, and I will have a guide on how to have 120 operating system on a single hard drive or on a single USB flash drive. But right now it's very expensive, so I'm not gonna spend money on something that I know it will go down in price, like always did. So for now it's just to plan maybe 3 years from now, 4 years from now if the price is good, but for now it's not possible. It's not going to be possible. So I try not to pause the installation to people that's following my guide, that know that it takes time to get from one part of the installation to the other, so they can understand that. So when I get to the 50 OS, I will not, maybe I will pause, maybe I will not pause the installation. The next one that I'm gonna do, Ubuntu Kylin, I will pause the installation because I already know the time that takes for each part. Okay, so if you look here, so I have a Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. There's no bug with this one here. With the 16.04, the installer works 100% and it has all the information, the GNU group, right? But with the 18.04, there is the bug here. It doesn't show the. It should say here Kubuntu and Ubuntu Mate. So anyway, the next one is going to be Ubuntu Budgie. So it's going to be SDA30 ext4 file system with a mount point, and it's going to be almost 16 gigabytes. I'm going to click install now. Okay, here it says that I'm going to use my swap partition and going to create another partition which is going to be number 30 on the hard drive, the first hard drive. If you have a multiple hard drive, SDA is the first hard drive. If you have no hard drive and you have only USB flash drive and you're using a DVD or CD to install, the USB flash drive is going to be the SDA. So the file system is going to be ext4. I'm going to click here continue. And the bootloader is going to be installed on the hard drive SDA. Like I said, it's 1 terabyte. Okay, my time zone here is Brazil, and but one thing that I found out using Ubuntu 18.04 is that they using the interface is mixing English with Portuguese Brazil. I like the interface to be like, I want the interface to be 100% English, and the time zone I want to be in Portuguese. But somehow there is a bug that the interface is mixing some English and some Spanish. So I will select another time zone here, which is on the Americas here, and I'm going to click continue here. I want the interface to be 100% English. With the 16.04, I didn't have this problem. I don't have this problem. The interface is 100% English, and if I want to change to Portuguese or other language, I can just download the language pack, and then I can change the interface to Portuguese or to a different language. So, and if you use in LibreOffice, you can install the language pack. Even the computer here is with the English keyboard. You can install the language with the Portuguese language, and I use the interface with the Portuguese language, and then you can use spell check to, when you write on LibreOffice, the punctuation can be done with the spell check. Estou criando isso. The Ubuntu The Budgie desktop environment is based on GNOME. I'm gonna pause the video to make it shorter. I think when you connect to the internet, the installation is much slower. So I recommend when you do the installation, not only Ubuntu Budgie, but any other GNU/Linux or Windows 10, disconnect from the internet and then start the installation. It takes a long time because of you are connected to the internet. So the username and password here, the computer name here can be PC1 or computer number 1, computer 1, whatever name you want to use here. As an example, username, if you want to use your real name, and the login and password here. I'm going to pause and create my user account here. going to pause. Run update grub takes long time, so I will pause the video again. Okay, the installation is finished. So I'm gonna continue testing. So my next video is gonna be, I'm gonna make a video looking, showing how to look like the Ubuntu Budgie GNU boot manager, and I wanna see if it's gonna show Ubuntu Budgie or it's gonna show Ubuntu only. I believe there is a bug on Ubuntu 18.04, and this has happened when you install different flavor of Ubuntu. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like, and leave comments below. Se você gostou desse vídeo, dá um like, compartilhe nas redes sociais e deixe o seu comentário abaixo.